Hi, Monique Ferguson here from South Shore Chevrolet. Just wanted to show you guys the fabulous 2020 Chevy Equinox. This is my favorite. I'm a little biased. Wonderful style, all new redesign in 2018. I want to show you the HID headlights. They're fabulous. And the LED driving lights, excellent visibility, okay? 17-inch wheels, easy on rubber. Beautiful style, passive keyless entry. As long as the key is in your pocket, you just open the door. It's easy, easy, easy. Check it out. No cap, it's wonderful. Easy to fill up, less time. Beautiful back end here. Let's check out the trunk space. All right, we have added these beautiful weather mats. They're fabulous. They keep everything dry and safe and clean. Look at that space in here. You can get 2 sets of golf clubs this way very easily, and lots of bags. This is how you're going to flip and fold the seats. I'll just show you, for example. Fold flat, really nice. Lots of room for Costco. All right, let's try it out. Let's go for a test drive. All right, before I leave, I always plug in my phone because this feature here is called Apple Carplay, and you don't want to touch your phone while you're driving. It's very bad, very bad. So simply plug in your phone and you can say more, continue, and hit Apple CarPlay, and there we go. So now that I am plugged in, I am safe to go. Anybody messages me or calls me, or if I want to call anybody, I simply push the button on my steering wheel and I don't need to touch this or my phone again. Sound good? All right, let's get this show on the road. Let's say, for example, I don't know where I'm going. I'm going to hit the home button, go back to my CarPlay, and I'm going to hit my Google Maps. And there we go. There's my maps, and off we go. Smooth acceleration. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission paired with a 1.5-liter turbo. It has plenty of get up and go, and it does not shy away from a passing lane. However, it is excellent on fuel. I am getting about 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers, which is around 32 miles per gallon, I'd say, on mine. Now, with that Google Maps going, yes, that is using my data. If you do not have data, you don't have to worry. This car comes with Wi-Fi. You can hotspot right off of this. There is your Onstar. You get a free month's trial with 3 gigs of Wi-Fi for 1 month to try it out. You can buy bundles, packages, you can have it whenever you want it. You don't need it, you don't have to have it. It's very user-friendly and easy to get. See in front here, but I've got a nice little green car between the lines. That's the mayo and the mustard, and this vehicle comes standard with lane keep assist and lane keep warning. What that does is over 80 kilometers will gently keep you over 60 kilometers will gently keep you between the mayo and the mustard. Feature is your cruise control. You can set it and you can accelerate, resume, decelerate, turn it off. I like that for long trips in nice days. large digital display for your speed. Makes it a lot harder to lie to the nice officer if he does pull you over. Down here we've got the heated seats, a standard feature. I like that. Pairs well with the remote start, which is also a standard feature. And you can have hottest, hot, and hotter. They come on when you automatically remote start your vehicle, so it's a nice cozy feeling when you get in the vehicle. Quiet and smooth the car is. It's excellent. Here, and then we're going to see what that nice 1.5 turbo can do. What do you know, rush hour in Bridgewater. Accelerates well, quietly, and doesn't complain. Feature in this vehicle is the all-wheel drive, automatic all-wheel drive. Say we were driving into a squall right now, you can just reach down, press the all-wheel drive button, and it engages your all-wheel drive. So if you need it, it's there. Raining a little more, I have my wipers on. When your wipers are on, it automatically turns on your full headlights. So we have our driving lights on right now. The LEDs are great, but with the wipers on, it indicates that it's not nice out. We should have our full lights so people behind us can see us. And speaking of lights, this Equinox, the LT, comes with auto high beam dimming. So you just turn your high beams on and they will automatically dim whenever you come across a vehicle, a light. It's a great feature for driving at night. That was our highway portion. Let's start heading back. We'll take a back road here. Slower speeds. This vehicle is equipped with the forward collision alert. Also the automatic braking, low speed automatic braking for pedestrians. So somebody steps out in front of a car, you don't see them. You're gonna get lights that come up from there, and that's gonna warn you, and it will apply the brakes at low speed. You get Onstar. So I mentioned Onstar before. That's these buttons up here. So the stop button, look with the SOS, that's the emergency. If you ever need fire, police, or ambulance, you push that. There's a GPS in the vehicle. If you go off the road, the airbags are deployed, they know where you are. They will come through your radio and say, are you okay, Monique? Do you need help? If I don't answer, they know exactly where I am and they will come and find me. The blue Onstar button is the one you can change your packages if you want to buy Wi-Fi. That's what you would do. Say a light came on your dash and you didn't know what it meant, like a check engine light. What's wrong with my vehicle? Well, first thing you do is you push the blue Onstar button and you say, hey, can you do a remote vehicle diagnostic for me, please? I don't know what this light means. And they will do that. They'll send a signal down to your vehicle and let you know what it is. You will also get an email once a month for free for 10 years after you do your free 1 month subscription. And that will check engine, transmission, StabiliTrak, Onstar, a bunch of safety features, and send you an email saying no issues found or possible issues or immediate action should be taken. So that's really nice. It's just a little message from your car once a month. Also, your vehicle will send you a text message if you like, or a call, or an email if, say, a headlight's burnt out. You just go onto the GM Canada homepage and go into customer assistance and set up your profile. It's a really nice way to stay in touch with your vehicle. Better your car telling you your tail light's burnt out than, again, that nice officer. And here we are back again. I hope you enjoyed this test drive as much as I did. I'm loving my Chevy Equinox. I hope you can love one too. Thanks for driving with me.